Hello, hi and welcome to the Tech Globe YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install VMware Microsoft Windows 10. Okay, first of all, go to the home page and create a new virtual machine and choose typical. Click next and choose installer disk image. If you have a download Windows 10 ISO file from the Microsoft website, and choose the downloaded path and browse this where you kept your ISO file and choose this ISO Windows 10 selected, and next, and choose Microsoft Windows, and by default the version here not available. Let's go for the custom. Click next, choose any version, and here you can mention Microsoft Windows 10. Okay, and click next, and allocated size here I'm typing 100 gigabyte, and there is two options: store virtual disk as a single file and split virtual disk into multiple files. In my case I'm choosing the second option, and next, and here is the creation file. Okay, click finish, and now the virtual components is ready. On the left side of the menu, here is a 2 GB and one processor. Hard disk is 100 gigabyte, and network, USB, sound card, printer, display, everything is visible. And click OK. Start mission. Just wait for 5 minutes until the installation. And if you have a product key of Windows 10, click here and type. For now I don't have a product key right now. Click I don't have, and choose version which one you want. Now I'm going to install Windows 10 Pro. Okay, click next, and accept the license terms. Click next, and install Windows only advanced. Now the 100 gigabyte is there in the hard disk. Click new and apply. Click OK. After this, click next, and system ready to copy Windows file. Needs some time to complete. Please wait. Finish. Just a moment. Now the end of the stage, we need to give. Almost the Windows is done. Now successfully we have completed the Windows 10 OS, and here is some 920 1080. Yes, now this is the correct screen resolution. Now we have completed Windows 10 installation. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.